Hi trade boosters, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm going to be showing you guys again how to trade the EMA with a unique indicator called Ichimoku clouds. So it does look quite confusing, but I'll show you guys how to use it. So it is very simple. It's a two-step strategy, simple to use as usual. So a rule of thumb is whenever price is below our yellow EMA, we are going to look for sells. Whenever price is above our EMA, we're going to look for buys. All right. Now, how do we determine when to buy or sell? All right. We are going to wait for the Ichimoku cloud to turn green or red. Let me give you an example. All right. So right now you can see that our Ichimoku cloud right here is green. All right. And it's below. So green symbolizes buy and red symbolizes a sell. So you can see that it's green underneath our EMA, which means buy, but we can't buy because price is currently underneath our EMA. So we need to look for sells. All right. Now price eventually turns red right here, but in my regard, it is a little bit too late to sell there. So we're gonna just keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. This game is all about patience. So you can see, just keep going, just keep going. Cool. Now we didn't get any sell opportunities, but as you can see, we've got a buy opportunity right here. Prices over our EMA, and we've got the Ichimoku cloud turning green. Those are two confluences. I'm gonna take a buy, stop loss right here, and you can see that you could have capitalized this entire move over here. That was a long move. Now let's try again. You see price is above our EMA right here, and we don't have any signals. Let's keep going, let's keep going, just keep going, just keep going, just keep going. As you can see right here, price eventually pops out of our EMA and the cloud turns green. That's a good opportunity to get in, get to capitalize all this move over here. That is quite a move, and there are many more opportunities, but just to give you guys an idea on how to use this indicator, very simple, friendly as well. It's a 1-2 step indicator. Make sure to let me know how it goes for you guys. And yeah, man, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.